Hello, I'm Janta. Today I'm very happy to share some idea or lesson that I get from reading a book, Teaching English Methodology. So if you think that your teaching is good, but if you reflect that you plan to read but your teaching technique is not so enjoying, I think the book here can share you. So after reading, I want to share you about the 7 features before you're planning a technique or activity or games. So what are they? Number 1, you need to know clearly about the title of the activity or game or technique. Number 2 is instructions. You need to plan clearly how to explain your student how to play or how to do. Number 3 is durations. How many minutes are there that you wish to play the game or that activity? Number 4 is materials. So talk about materials, you have to plan in advance. You have to prepare, you have to bring into the classroom or place that you wish to play game or that activity. Number 5, talking about sample. So exactly, if you know that about the theory in teaching, we have T, teacher have to explain or do. T and S refer teacher and student do together, and students or S. So you need to know this one. Therefore, you have to give them an example before you play. And number 6 refer to, number 6 here. Refer to, you need to know clearly that how to correct the student, how to feedback the student, and how to know who win and lost. Therefore, the last step is that give or what are the things that the student they have done this activity or that games. If they win, what should they do or what do they get? You explain clearly. And the last other video, I will share my experience that I lead the class, I lead the student, and most of them also are my students and they are ready to be a good teacher too. Thanks for watching, and let's start to watch my experience or my video that I have done with my students. Thank you. Don't forget to read more the books and follow my rest of the video. So after watching my video that I have some experience with the student, I hope you enjoy and you will learn more some activity here. And sorry if some sense or activity is not proper, please get rid of this one. But make sure that you remember about this one thing before you plan to do an activity or technique or game. Thank you.